Hi everyone! Today I will be addressing the cognitive domain by playing the color and shape matching activity. Let's get started. In this first slide, we see 4 different colored ducks. From the option box below, we need to find the missing duck to drag into the box. To complete the pattern, we have to see which colored duck should go in the box. By looking at the box below, I see that there's a blue duck, but there's no blue duck in the pattern, so that one we're not going to use. I think there should be a purple duck in the box to complete the pattern. So the pattern will go yellow, yellow, purple, purple, red, red, green, green. That looks right. Let's go on to the next one. Next, we have a similar pattern. Which fish should go in the missing box? Well, let's look at the pattern. Red, red, orange, orange, blue, blank, purple, purple. Well, we won't need the green fish in the box. And there's 2 of every other color except blue. So I'm going to put the blue fish in the box to complete the pattern. Now, let's try a harder one. Next, we have these gift boxes. These are a bit more tricky. We have 2 missing spaces to complete this time. So, let's look at the pattern. Blue, blue, pink, blank, yellow, yellow, blank, red. Let's start with the first box. Well, there's 2 blue and 2 yellow, but there's not 2 pink. So I'm going to move the pink box to complete this pattern. Next, there's not 2 red either. So let's move the red box to complete this pattern. So now we have blue, blue, pink, pink, yellow, yellow, red, red. Looks like the pattern is complete. Let's move on to another one. This pattern, we have 2 different objects, a snowflake and a sun. Let's start by reading the pattern the same way we have before. Snowflake, snowflake, sun, sun, snowflake, blank, sun, sun. Well, there's 2 of every kind of object except this one spot. I'm going to move the snowflake into this box to complete the pattern. So now we have snowflake, snowflake, sun, sun, snowflake, snowflake, sun, sun. Can you figure out this last pattern? It's super tricky. This one, we have 2 different objects, but it's in a pattern form. So let's see. Tree, bird, bird, tree, blank, bird, tree. Well, I think a bird would go into this pattern. Let's see. Tree, bird, bird, tree, bird, bird, tree. Looks like we've got it.